In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the super admin in Zoho CRM. If you manage your company's CRM, the super admin is the top-level owner of the account, with access to organization settings, billing, and critical company details. Transferring this role is straightforward, but you'll want to be signed in as the current super admin to make the change. Start on the Zoho CRM homepage. From here, look to the upper right corner and click the setup icon, the little wrench or gear. This opens the settings area where all organization controls live. In the left sidebar, under the General section, choose Company Settings. That's where the company profile and ownership information are stored. On the Company Settings page, you'll see your organization's name at the top. Hover over it and click the pencil icon on the right to enter Edit mode. This unlocks fields you can change, including the Super Admin field. You're just updating profile and ownership information. Now, find the Super Admin dropdown. Click it and select the person you want to make the new super admin from the list of active users. If you don't see their name, double-check that they're already added to your Zoho CRM and active. Pick the right person thoughtfully, since this role controls billing and top-level settings. After selecting the new super admin, click Save. Zoho may prompt you to confirm the change, since it transfers account ownership. Once confirmed, the switch is applied, and the new super admin immediately has control of organization settings and billing. The previous super admin remains a regular user unless their role is adjusted elsewhere, so there's no disruption to their day-to-day CRM access. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Plan the timing so you change ownership during a low-traffic period, especially if you also manage subscription updates. Let your team know about the change so the new owner is ready to handle billing notices and administrative requests. And if you use multiple Zoho apps in the same organization, remember this ownership can affect permissions beyond just CRM. That's it. Home, Setup, Company Settings, Edit, Change Super Admin, and Save. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.